Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install maps in Minecraft Java. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to go to planetminecraft.com. Then go to Minecraft, select maps, and then find the map that you want to download it. In my case is this one first. And then what we need to just wait here and you can download for Bedrock or by Java, right? Just press on it and download it. We need to wait for a couple of seconds until this new window pops up. And then we just need to press download here and wait for a couple of seconds until download process should start in a couple of seconds. As you can see here, now map is downloading. Once you have the map, you just need to right click on it and then extract all and then extract to desktop or whatever is convenient for you. Then you just need to basically drag out this folder to your desktop here, and you should have folder, and when you open up that particular folder, here should be all the contents. All right, then what you need to do here is to open up your Minecraft, then go to Java installations and then open installation folder, and then you need to look for saves. If you don't have saves folder, you can create one just by pressing new and you just need to write saves. And then once you're here, what you need to do here is to drag that particular folder that we just extracted, right? And then what you need to do next is to open up your Minecraft. Then open up single player, and as you can see here, here's the map. And you can play like that. And if you want to play with your friends, you need to have a Minecraft server. And if you want to get best and cheapest hosting of your Minecraft server, click the link in the description below and get a discount for your first server. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.